Hi, everybody. About a half hour from Denver, and the sun has come out today as John Fogerty sitting his baseball song center field, and the sky is blue, but that's today. Over the weekend, well, take a look here. This is usually our backyard, but completely covered. And instead of yapping and telling you how bad everything is, I'm just going to take a little bit, show you all the snow that's everywhere, and then I'll wrap it up with a final comment. So there we are, 2 feet of snow. We'll have some around for at least the next few weeks, but there are worse things in life. Mother Nature sometimes packs a punch. It certainly did over the weekend, especially yesterday here near Denver. I thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care, everybody.